Hey, it's Tiberia here live at CES 2014. We're here with Bill Ennis, who's the head of sales for North America.
Yes, that's true. I actually handle sales for North and South America, but I've been director of sales now for about 2 years, and really excited about the new products that we have here to offer today, and especially this new Apple product that we worked with our development team to specialize in a sit-stand product for the Apple assortment of products, both laptop and the iMac.
So the philosophy with the products here is to get off your butt and basically stand. I met WorkFit Wendy last year, and you guys actually sent me a desk, and it's night and day. So what did you bring this year?
Well, this is our new product designed for the Apple MacBook Pro. So basically what this does is allows you to adjust the arm that's back here, which you can see here. This arm is then adjusted to the weight of the device that you've got on this particular area, and it allows you to then move the device up and down with very little in the way of effort. So what allows you to do then is, as you're working, in many cases it's best to be standing, because all of us know that you want to stay away from a sedentary lifestyle. You want to be able to get up and move around. You burn a lot more calories, you feel better, and you're more active. Your brain is more engaged, and your blood's flowing, and you're definitely more productive. I use one of these products, not this particular one, but I use one, and I have been for the last 2 years, and it's made huge difference in my body and the way that I feel on a daily basis.
So we were talking about how this converts just a regular desk into a sit-stand device, and then you also can use a mat.
Yeah, we sell a high-density mat that I use personally that allows you to have a lot more support and a lot more, insulation against a harder floor, especially if you have a hardwood floor. And I live in Florida, so we use a lot of tile floors. Yeah. So having that mat underneath my feet makes a huge difference, and it really does, over the course of 6 or 8 hours, it makes an incredible difference. But what's really amazing is that you would think standing for 6 or 8 hours would be painful, but after you get accustomed to it, it really becomes almost second nature. I can't sit at a desk anymore. I have to stand.
Yeah, no, so it really works. And I'm curious about your guys' products is just built like, I always say like the Terminator arm or something like that, but the price point's not that bad.
Yeah, the pricing is pretty strong. This product is about $330, and this product's about $650. Okay. And this is the product for the iMac. This is our Mac Daddy model, if I might use
the Mac Daddy, I like that.
The Mac Daddy of the iMac. So this product allows you to have a keyboard and obviously a work area, as well as the monitor. And what's unique about this product, if you turn it around, you can see that the iMac doesn't have a traditional mounting template on the back, so we had to create this you have to really create this really slick device that allows you to lock it in there. So this is a product that presently is available through apple.com, and as well as it will be opening up to certified Apple resellers in the very near future. This product is now in stock, and we'll be moving it out to those folks very, very quickly through our distributing partners.
I'm excited. I got a new Mac, courtesy of my new job at Fujifilm, Sonos side, and definitely going to be connecting up.
Well, we'll have to hook you up. We'll have to hook you up. My wife just started a new job, and I'm going to have to hook her up too.
Oh, yeah. So what else is happening for you at the show here?
Well, what's cool about this show is it really is an opportunity for us to see all of our customers at one fell swoop, and also interface with all of our representatives so that we can impart to them all the information that we want. So we've had sales meetings and we've had individual conferences with these folks, and it really allows us a lot of one-on-one time. So CES is something, this is my 31st CES, and it still amazes me. It's an enthusiast in the audio-video realm. It's something that I've always fell in love with, and this is like being a kid in a candy store, so I'm always excited to be here at CES.
So people are going to be screaming to get these products. Where do they find them?
Basically, right now, the only place they can get these products is going to be through apple.com, and then eventually through Apple resellers. Eventually, we'll expand the market, but right now, we're limiting the availability on this product. Our normal product for OmniMount is available through a lot of retailers out there, both like an H.H. Gregg or a Sam's. Well, I mean, all of these people, we're basically permeating the whole North American marketplace, both here and in Canada.
Hey, well, that's Bill Ennis with the some of the cool stuff at the show here. I actually really appreciate you guys' support last year.
No problem.
And I'm going to get one of those mats
for
myself and for my mom, and for maybe Marco will get one too at the office.
We'll have to hook him up.